welcome to today's vlog. Today is Saturday, which means Mike has the day off, which is lovely. So it means that we can hang out together. We are actually going to go on a bike ride. I bought a bike off one of my neighbours. I already have a bike and I actually really like it, but basically we keep it at Mike's parents' house because they live in a slightly different area to me. So when we want to ride it there, then we ride that bike, and then when we want to ride mine, I've now got this one. I've never ridden it though. Mike did take it for a spin last weekend and he promises me that it does work well, because he had to fix like a few bits, but we got it for a good price, which is great. We don't really know where we're going. I'm a little bit nervous. I don't know what to wear because it is the most beautiful day. Oh, I was going to try show you. There we go. It is a beautiful day. However, when you cycle, it's really cold at the beginning and then you get warm like relatively quickly. So I think what I'm going to wear is just this jumper, then these trousers, which I need to, this is just my recycling by the way, which I need to just like lint roll. I think I'm going to go to Covent Garden. I know a route to Covent Garden from my house, which basically just takes back roads or cycle lanes. So I think we're going to give that a go, and it's kind of long. It's not the way I would walk it, but I don't think it's that much longer. It's probably like 5 minutes longer than if we were to go the other way. It goes on a route that I used to take from our old house to my primary school, because my primary school was in like Holborn to Covent Garden. So I actually haven't walked that way since I was probably about 9. So I'm quite looking forward to that as well. I think I know the route. There's like this little tiny bit that I'm not 100% sure. Roads are really empty at the moment because of lockdown. We're still allowed to go out and exercise, so that's basically what we're going to do. And I think we're going to try and pick up some like lunch along the way. That's the other thing, like for lunch we're going to have to stop when we can't go indoors. So I think I'm going to get cold whilst we eat outside. So do I take a jacket, do I not? I think I'm just going to take a little windbreaker in Mike's rucksack, but I'm basically just waiting for him to get ready, and then he has to go get our bikes from downstairs because they're quite hard to get out of here.
I know the reason
We're cycling to my mushroom, what's it called? Helmet. We've now made it to, what this is?
It looks familiar.
Oh, I can't remember. The Royal Opera House, there we go, in Covent Garden, yeah. It's such a beautiful building, but I wanted to show you just how empty the roads are. Like usually these are jam-packed. Mike, I cycled the whole way here. Are you proud? Yeah. I'm actually quite proud.
You're not even tired?
I am a bit. But it wasn't really that far. How long did it take us to get here? 20 minutes?
Less.
You think less?
Oh, 10.
Yeah, according to Google Maps it's 15, so maybe. We're gonna go and look into Covent Garden, yeah? Probably have to park up.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Can I put my helmet on the back of yours? So I've ditched my bike because I want to be able to film, but Mike's pushing his because basically we didn't bring a chain long enough, or like enough chains. So I'm going to show you just quickly around Covent Garden because it is so quiet but really, really beautiful at the same time. I also really wish that I'd bought really cute outfits, but the issue is, I don't know if I'm zoomed in. Yeah, I was. I couldn't really, you could put them in your bag, let me say. Yeah.
I was going to say, I could have been walking with your bike.
Oh, that doesn't matter. I want to cycle really comfy clothes because I'm like relatively new to cycling, so that's why I didn't want to like bring a cute outfit to take a picture, but it's very, very cute around here today. So pretty much all the restaurants are closed. Yeah, a few are open, but not loads. And I think they're taking the opportunity.
For takeaway, aren't you?
Yeah, for takeaway, yeah. I think they're using the opportunity to revamp a little bit.
No, we can't. We've got to cross the bridge, like I said.
I'm 100% not crossing the bridge. Not happening. Oh, this is mine actually. So we've got stage latte. Honestly, the reason we got these because they had a really good offer, and we got some lattes. I did spot Shake Shack, but I asked Mike if he wanted lunch and he said no. So
I said no.
You said you didn't want it now, and we're gonna go past
cycle
it.
Bit then.
Initially, we're thinking of getting Itsu, but I feel like we can get Itsu whenever. So I'm gonna think we should try. Oh no, this has already got 2 in there. I just bought you an extra sugar in case. You want 3 sugars?
3 sugars.
Okay. I think I'm gonna cycle through Soho. Then I have to think of a way to get home that's like that I'm comfortable with. I have heard that Tottenham Court Road might have cycling lanes. I don't know. We need to have a look. So I'm just gonna eat these now. Also, it's quite eerie because there's literally no one around. There is, but very, very few people. And this would literally never, ever, ever happen. I think even if you came here at like 4 in the morning, it would have...
No.
You don't think it'd have a similar amount of people?
Probably, yeah.
I think similar amount at least, like people going to work and stuff. It's very, very quiet.
Filming or something.
Yeah.
Everyone's cleared the area.
Yeah. But I'd also give you my verdict on my pastel de nata as a Portuguese person. I think they're really well made. Like the pastry is delicious, but it doesn't really taste like an OG pastel. But it's nice.
Thin,
it is thin, yeah.
Crust of it.
Like usually you have the option to put cinnamon on top, but I feel like this one's got cinnamon inside. Thoughts?
I agree with you. All those things were my ideas.
And a bit lemony, but nice. Okay, back on the road. Why am I hitting my helmet? I've got my helmet on, but back on the road.
Now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow and the next day, the next day.
Turns out my bike actually has a kickstand I knew nothing about. We are now in Leicester Square, and more of the same, just really very, very, very quiet. There's quite a lot of homeless people around here, I would say. Oh, I'm not sure where to next.
Lunchtime.
I'm not sure, we literally just had cake. You didn't see, I'm trying to take my kickstand off. So this is Chinatown. I've also lost Mike. Thought I'd lost you. Now we're at Shaftesbury Avenue. Do you know what? I'm having a really fun time.
Me too.
And you called me brave.
Well, because you're cycling and filming at the same time.
I know. Now we're on Carnaby Street. There's literally like a dozen people. Would you say that's even a dozen? Maybe not even that. They have, however... Actually, I was going to say this is their Christmas decorations, but I don't think it is. Okay, so Mike says we've been stopping every how many minutes?
Every 2 seconds.
Yeah, every 2 seconds. But Liberty's is closed, and it weirdly makes me sad. I've never seen it like this.
What's Liberty?
Have you not lived in London your entire life? You've been in it. You've been in
Some
this.
sort of department store.
You've been in here, right?
Have I?
Have you ever been to Liberty's?
No. Can't afford it, mate.
It's not that expensive.
Oh,
You can get cheap stuff. It does look expensive. It has got expensive stuff for sure, but it also has like affordable stuff, and it's just so beautiful inside. And their Christmas department. So now we're on Oxford Street. Honestly, I really wanted to come and see the Christmas lights, but obviously it's the middle of the day. Well, it's actually quite sunny today. It's actually a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm so glad we came today. But I'll show you Oxford Street. I've never seen it like this. Crazy.
I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that by into...
And we've now cycled to Regents Park. It's probably going to be one of our last stops. Maybe. I think so. No, I don't mind cycling a little bit more. I just don't know where to really. So we're going to have some sandwiches. Once we just bought, we're going to sit on my raincoat. Also, if you're new to cycling, I'd highly recommend cycling at the moment because there is no one on the road. It is blissful.
The things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind.
We've got a way to sit at the park.
It's a lovely backdrop.
It's so we don't have to talk to each other. I feel like we should have brought a game. It's actually such a nice day. Oh, I have some new games actually. So it turns out the rest of London's empty because absolutely everyone is here. I don't think you can even tell. It is very busy. It's funny because everywhere's closed. You just see Londoners like on the side of the road. Where were we last week that you were like we would never sit on the floor usually?
No, that's all we've been doing.
But where were we? We sat on the floor and you were like we would literally never ever do this usually.
Till today.
No, it wasn't today.
Today we went to get the pastel de nata.
Oh, it was today maybe. No, I think we sat somewhere else last week and the same thing happened. But last week it wasn't lockdown, so I don't know. Maybe it was today. But we're just on the side of the road because the queues in Regents Park were outrageous. Like in the ideal world we would have sat there, but we just couldn't. So we went to Co-op. They'd run out of everything, right?
No, they're not now. It's just they didn't have much options.
Oh, so actually I asked for a Ribena, but Mike got me a blackberry
I got her the Ribena.
I don't like them. Is it blackberry? Blackcurrant?
The normal Ribena
I don't like
flavour.
that one. I only like strawberry. So, because Michael is the best boyfriend in the world, he swapped. I mean, I'm not wild about this either, but it's much better than that one. And to prove that I'm new to bike riding, I still keep nicking my ankles with the, what's it called? Pedals, and it hurts. Do you still do that? Did you ever do that? I'm basically just a noob.
Not really. Been doing alright. I mean, we did get overtaken by a folding bike.
No, because if you cycle around Regents Park, literally there's just hundreds of cyclists, and you just have to worry about cyclists not crashing into them, not getting run over, like in case a car pulls over, you have no mirrors. Which if it were in a car you would. And so I feel like you have a lot to think about. I don't think I was going that slow.
We were the slowest people in Regents Park.
I think you're right.
So the slowest cyclists. It's okay. When I first started cycling and I got my Santander bike, I was like, why is everyone overtaking me? It's the bikes.
Oh, no.
And like you're a noob and everything. But it's fine.
Got to try harder. I took a tiny detour just so I could show you what Camden Market-ish area looks like. Pretty quiet. Actually, maybe we could cycle down this road, babe. Yeah, we're going to cycle down here so we can have a better look. Where did you go?
Sorry, probably lost.
We're now at Camden Market. Oh, is there a sign? Yes, there is. I'll quickly show you inside. Will you hold my bike?
Yeah.
It's very noisy in here. Got a Christmas tree. Oh, and everything's closed basically, apart from food places. Otherwise, mainly closed. I'm back.
Cool, let's go. Can we rent bikes?
That was tough.
Enjoyed it.
Not for me. For me, it was tough. I'm so red. Mike keeps going the wrong way. Oh, I'm also not in focus. Let's try focus. Oh, this camera focus is gone.
Sorry, I got lost again.
Wait, I think my camera focus is broken. I feel like it's all the cobbly roads. Look how pink I am. I'm tired. We're going home now. Should we sign off here?
Out of petrol now.
Yeah, I'm out of petrol now.
Yeah.
Let's sign off here. We had great fun. We might do this again maybe next weekend. Whenever it's sunny again on the weekend, we're going to go again. Let us know if there's anywhere particular you'd like us to go. Like if you'd like to see, if you'd like to see it in lockdown. I don't want to go south of the river. We live north of the river.
Slow down a little bit.
Oh, I'm just tired.
Getting a bit emotional, it sounds like.
Wow, I'm not emotional. Just very, very tired. We'll see you guys in a couple of weeks.
Bye.